assembly is incredibly important because it educates people on topics that they might not get an education on elsewhere. They may not have another assembly to get this information, and it gives students a different perspective because it gives you an outlook on other people's views, other people's experiences, and what other people go through that you may not know.
Yeah, I've had so many bosses tell me I need to change my hair because I look threatening with my braids or with my own hair that comes out of my head. I have to do so much for me to be accepted in some of these workplaces. That's why it can be frustrating when girls who aren't African American wear African hairstyles and receive no opposition.
Like when Kim Kardashian had her boxer braids, and then everyone thought it was a new trend and thought they were vulgaric braids, and she didn't give African Americans any credit.
So what goes into putting this assembly together is a lot of research. We want to make sure that we're educating people. It's not just like a show, but we're actually educating people. And of course, we don't know everything. HRC, teachers, anybody who's involved. So we do extensive research before, and then that's how we write the script and things, and do it from there. And then we add those entertainment aspects and pieces like the dancing or the singing or things like that to keep people engaged. And of course, that's still a part of history.
Joanna, hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba?
Sweet love, sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home.
So my goal for this assembly, and I think HRC's goals as well, is to really educate everybody and make sure that even those who aren't interested or don't feel like it matters or they don't really care about Black history or things related to this topic, we want to reach to them too and say, hey, this relates to you. Like Black history, a lot of people say Black history is our history. It is America's history. Because this room wouldn't be lit if it wasn't for a Black man who created carbon filament that helped Thomas Edison create the light bulb. Because without carbon filament, we wouldn't be alive. So there's so many things that we don't realize that African American people have impacted us. I think it's really important that people realize that this is important and that we should take time to highlight these people because they don't get highlighted often in day-to-day curriculum.